Facing delivery issues? Don't worry, I'll guide you on how to reattempt a failed delivery. Once you have logged into your Shipyaari dashboard, go to the left side menu and click on Tracking to access your shipment details. Under the Tracking menu, select Exception NDR to view all undelivered orders requiring action. Now navigate to the Pending Actions. Here you will see a list of shipments that need your attention. Locate the specific order you want to reattempt and click on RTO Reattempt next to it. A sidebar will appear on your screen. Under the Actions drop-down menu, select Reattempt to proceed. Enter a valid reason for reattempting the delivery in the remarks section. This will ensure smooth processing. Click on Save and that's it. Your reattempt request has been successfully sent. Your courier partner will now process the request, ensuring a smooth delivery.